Here we are going to discuss about the properties of multiplications. Already we discussed about the properties of additions and subtractions. Which properties we discussed there? Closure property, commutative property and associative property. Then we had to repeat those three properties here also in the multiplications. So now all of you observe here, I am going to explain about the closure property of multiplication. What is the closure property of multiplication? Before we will recall that closure property of addition. What is the closure property of addition? Two integers a and b, a plus b is also an integer. So here also we have to do like that only. For any two integers a and b, a into b is an integer. So for example, I am going to take two integers minus 2 and 5. I am going to take these two integers. In minus 2 is here, a into b we have to do. So a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 5. What we have to do here? A into b. A into b means minus 2 into 5. So here we have to multiply the symbols first, minus into plus minus, and 5 to are 10. Minus 10 is also an integer. So we can say the closure property of multiplication will be satisfied. Here the product of minus 2 and 5 is minus 10. Minus 10 is also an integer. So we can say the integers are closed under multiplications. This is called closure property of multiplication of integers. Okay. Next, commutative property of multiplication. Before that we can recall that commutative property of addition. In the addition, what we learn in the addition? A plus b. If a and b are the integer, if a and b are the two integers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. So when we are adding any two integers in any order, we will get the same result. So here also like that only, for any two integers a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. We will get the product of a and b in any order, we will get the same answers. Okay. So commutative property of multiplication we are going to discuss. Here I am going to take 11 and minus 3 are two integers here. Here a is equal to 11, comma b is equal to minus. Here a into b is equal to b into a, we have to prove like this. So a into b means 11 into minus 3, b into a means minus 3 into 11. Here plus into minus, minus 3 11s are 33, minus into plus minus 3 11s are 33. Hence it is proved. Here two integers in any, if we multiply any two or more integers in any order, we will get the same product. So we can say the multiplication is commutative of integers. So this property is called commutative property of multiplication integers. We are going to discuss about the associative property of multiplications. In associative property of additions, what we did? For any three integers a, b, c, a plus b plus c and a plus b plus c, we took like that. So here also a into b into c and it is equal to a into b into c, we have to prove like this. So in associative property, when we got three integers, when we multiply three integers in any order, we will get the same product. So here I am going to take 4 comma minus 5 comma minus 6, I am going to take here. So here a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 6. Here we have to do the multiplication like this. So 4 into b into c, b into c means minus 5 into minus 6 is equal to, here a into b. A into b means a means 4 into minus 5 into c means minus 6. So here we are going to simplify this. here first we have to open these brackets. 4 into minus plus 5 6 are 30. Here we have to multiply this in the bracket which are there in the bracket. 4 5 are 20, plus into minus 4 5 are 20. So into minus 6. Here the two numbers are positive. So plus into plus, 4 30 are 4 3 are 12. You have to put 0 here, and here minus into minus plus 6 2 are 12. Here you have to put 0. 120 is equal to 120. So we can say that the multiplication of So we can say that multiplication is associative for integers. This property is called associative property of multiplication for integers. Next,